I need more floor. I need more floor. Make pleats. Okay, well, we're just going to sew this together. So this is a side, a side, a side, a side, and the 14s are the front and the back. That makes way more sense. Let's get stitching these guys together. I love how it tells me to stay stitch the waistline first and then stitch everything together. I'd rather just stay stitch an entire chunk. I was supposed to put notches in you and I didn't. My bad. Oh, okay. Yep, that's cool. Not a tension issue. It's an empty bobbin issue. I just started that row. God damn it.
Destroy! Smash! Yeah, I agree. No, make the A14 a back panel. Where did I put that? Oh, it's over there. Okay.
I see the desire to have a match. Fandango. What piece are you? You're 14, which means you're the back. The back. There go my instructions. It's fine. Alright, time for pleats. Oh, son of a bitch. Sewed my petticoat inside out. So for those of us paying attention, this is the outside of my petticoat. Now I get to undo all of my seams and do this again. Alright, so here we go. Seam rip the entire petticoat. When you mess up and your fabric's in a timeout because of it, and then you just don't want to go back to what you were doing because grr. The petticoats are all sewed correctly now. Now I have to go into pleats. Pleat Cam chose violence today. Ah, my knees. Alright, you frickin' stupid. Frickin'. Okay. I will win! I will defeat this petticoat. Love my genius idea of labeling everything and still doing it wrong.
tasting? Because I'm sick of being stabbed. That looks like I've gotten into a fight with an alley cat. You're fine. And I'm hoping it'll make it easier to deal with not having, you know, sticks of metal in it.
Dress is falling apart.
Already?
Which part of you is doing this? What part? It's the fucking tram wheel.
Dun 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 dun. Baby shark. Baby shark.
It's like, what the heck are you? Yeah, it's mint. You're eating mint. I'm eating mint. Yeah, I know you're eating mint. And you can find a dandelion. Okay. Munch on the dandelion. You want bite? Do you also want some mint? Ready? Ready? Catch. I mean, good boy. It's like catching. Did you bring me the gummy? Yeah. Okay, back up. It's fluff. Okay, underlay. Let's go.
Centipede do 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 do, centipede do 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 do, centipede do 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 do. Don't lick my phone.
is falling.
You unpinned yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, I accidentally unpinned myself and then my bow fell off. So it's this whole train wreck.
I'm going back inside now. It's cold.
Yeah, it's fucking cold out here. Bye! Don't like it. God damn it, I am unpinned again.
Bows.